Dual-sided 7x Magnifying This Two-Sided 360-degree swivel design luxury mirror features 1x7x magnifications. 1x, full face view, and 7x, to see every detail up close. Detachable parts easily disassembles to bring with you while you travel and compact for storage. Detach the base and use as a handheld mirror. Concave lens creates the magnification side. For clear, undistorted view, look into the mirror at 10 inches or closer. Lightweight cordless, elegant lightweight design to create a seamless elevated look for any bathroom or vanity decor. US-based customer service. Ovente warranties that the product shall be free from defects in material workmanship under normal use conditions, for 1 year from the original purchase date. Top reviews from the United States. Love this mirror. Packaged very well, so it wasn't broken. Has a nice weight to it. The magnification is more powerful than I thought. I could do without seeing my flaws that closely, but it's great for when I have to tweeze.